Just shoveled all this, literally just now. 4th time, because it's about 2 inches per hour snowfall rate. Look at this. Oh man, I'm getting pelted in the face. I just shoveled all this. I just shoveled this just now. Well, not that part, but screw that. All because I can't park on this side of the street. Because I got a freaking $70 ticket. Odd days and even days when it's snowing. Oops. So I parked my hoopty over there. But I just shoveled this. I gotta shovel again. Weatherman James Gregorio says 2 inches an hour. So looks like he's right over here in Elmwood Park anyway. Wow. Alright. Goodbye. Going inside.